Hello guys, most of the people do this problem in wrong way. Here they do directly this 7 plus 9 is 16 minus 12 divided by 2 times 6. Here 16 minus 12 is 4 divided by 2 times this 6. Here they will get 2 times 6 is 12. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, pandas, here this is bracket, multiplication, division, addition, and this is subtraction. Here this multiplication and divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. Now this bracket is higher priority than all others, so we have to complete this first. So 16 minus 12 divided by 2 times 6. Here subtraction, division and multiplication. Here multiplication and divisions are higher priority than the subtraction, so we have to do this first. In this we have to follow left to right rule. So left to right is this 16 minus 6 times this 6. We have multiplication and subtraction. We have to do this first. So 16 minus 36. Here we'll get negative 20 is the correct answer. The answer is negative 20.